Most gardeners are growing the wrong things. They're growing pretty. They've been taught to grow for aesthetics. They're growing trendy. They're growing for Instagram likes and white picket fences. But when the system cracks, and every person paying attention knows it's cracking right now, the only ones eating well will be the ones who understood a secret most gardeners never learn. Not every plant feeds you through winter. Most of what you see in catalogs won't keep you alive. Not every seed regenerates itself, and not every harvest gives you the fat and protein you need. This channel is for those who want to grow smarter, live freer, and eat from their own land no matter what happens. If that's you, subscribe now, because by the time this becomes obvious to everyone, seeds will be sold out. The learning curve will cost you a full season. You need to know these 8 plants now. They are fast-growing, calorie-dense, and capable of regenerating from their own seeds year after year. Let's go. We are rediscovering a forgotten agricultural system, a hidden knowledge that once fed the world. It's time to build a system that requires no store, no grid, and absolutely no permission. Number 8. Zucchini, the plant that never stops producing. It's a caloric machine. Here's what nobody tells beginner growers. Zucchini isn't just a fresh summer vegetable. One plant, 60 days, 30 to 50 pounds of food. That math is extraordinary when food is scarce. It produces so fast, you'll be giving it away to neighbors. But in a crisis, you'll be harvesting life. But most people grow it wrong. Here's the fix. Build a planting mound, a raised hill of soil, 12 inches high, 3 feet wide. Plant your seeds at the top. This keeps water draining away. It prevents the root rot that kills most beginner plants. This single technique doubles your success. Now here's the survival mindset shift. Stop harvesting small. Let your zucchini grow massive. When they are the size of your forearm, they develop a hard skin. That's when they become storage food. You can store it whole, at room temperature, for 5 to 6 months. No refrigerator, no electricity. When you're ready, scoop the seeds, rinse them, dry them for a week. They stay viable for 6 years. Seal them in a jar. These are your next 6 years of food. Never throw them away. Roast them with salt and oil. You've just made a nutrient-dense snack packed with magnesium and healthy fat. Zucchini is your insurance policy. Fast, forgiving, and free to replant forever. Protect your future. Number 7. Spaghetti squash. The plant engineered for winter survival, built for the cold months. While zucchini feeds you in summer, this feeds you when the ground is frozen. It's a miracle crop. One plant produces 8 squash. Each one lasts 6 to 8 months in a cool, dark space. No processing. You harvest in September and eat fresh food in March. Most growers assume squash needs ground space. Wrong. Spaghetti squash climbs. Train it up a trellis, a fence, or a simple A-frame structure. Vertical survival. It will hold its own weight. You save massive amounts of space, 2 square feet for an entire harvest. Cut it in half, roast it, and fork out the flesh. It becomes pasta-like strands that absorb any flavor. It's a base food, neutral, versatile, and deeply satisfying when other options narrow. Survival comfort. Seeds for next year. Roasted seeds for minerals. 3 survival resources from one single plant. Never waste the seeds. They are a mineral powerhouse when traditional supplements are gone. The plant itself is a shield for your soil, keeping it cool and moist. A living ecosystem. It handles drought better than most. It is the bridge between seasons, the king of winter storage. This is how you eat fresh in the dark months. This is how you win, no grid required. Spaghetti squash. Versatile, nutritious, storable. Every survival garden must have it, no exceptions. Number 6. Potatoes. The reason civilizations survived winter. 1 pound delivers 350 calories, enough carbohydrate to fuel a full day of labor. They grow in almost any soil and tolerate cold. Store for months in a cool basement. This is the crop that keeps you alive when everything else is gone. The problem with potatoes: space. Here's the solution: the potato tower. Form chicken wire into a cylinder. Fill with soil and straw. As they grow tall, add another 6-inch layer. Bury the lower leaves. Repeat until 4 feet high. Get 150 potatoes from 3 square feet. Reusable for years. Efficiency defined. Seed saving is effortless. Just keep a few small potatoes, store them cool and dark, and plant in spring. Each eye becomes a new plant. No buying, no catalog, no supply chain dependency. Only freedom. 1 potato becomes 10. 10 become 100. The exponential growth of survival. Start small. It's not just fuel, it's comfort, it's sustenance. the backbone of every self-sufficient homestead. Even the flowers tell a story. When they fade, the harvest below is beginning to mature. Listen to the plant. In the dark of winter, these crates are your gold. They are your security. Grow them deep, simple, humble, irreplaceable. The potato is the survivor's best friend. Never underestimate it. Acres of energy, or just a few towers on your balcony. Potatoes will feed you when nothing else can. Number 5. Climbing beans. The protein you cannot live without. Vegetables keep you full. Beans keep you alive. Dry beans are 15 to 20% protein. They store for years. Pole beans use tiny spaces. A single 6-foot trellis produces 20 pounds using only 2 square feet. Plant along the base. They climb on their own. Leave pods on the plant until brittle. That's when they're ready for long-term storage. The seed saving is automatic. The beans you eat are the seeds you plant. Keep a handful from each harvest. They stay viable for 3 years. Without beans, a survival garden is missing its foundation. Protein for years. This is your storable protein. Better than any canned meat, better than any store-bought supplement. They grow while you sleep. They nitrogen fix your soil. They are the silent workers of the garden. Simple to care for, fast to produce. A few seeds can provide hundreds of pounds over a few generations. Eat them fresh as snap beans or wait for the dry harvest. The choice is yours. The security is absolute. Abundance is possible, even in a small backyard, even with minimal tools. Just plant the beans. From trellis to table. This is how you feed your family when the supermarkets are empty. Real food. Biodiversity is your backup. Grow multiple varieties. Ensure that some will always thrive. Strategy. Climbing beans, the pillar of survival. Plant them once and they will feed you forever. Number 4. Winter squash. Butternut, acorn, or delicata. The nutritional bridge. Protect your health. Vitamin deficiency is a real threat. This stands between you and that breakdown. Dense in vitamin A, potassium, fiber, and immune support. It stores 4 to 6 months without processing. Natural climbers. Train them vertically to produce heavy squash in tiny spaces. 1 plant, 2 square feet. Storage food. Roast it, mash it, or blend it into soup. Sweet without sugar. Satisfying without meat. Simple. 1 squash gives you food, next year's seeds, and roasted seeds as a snack. 3 resources, 1 plant. It's a dense source of energy that keeps your brain sharp and your body strong during the winter. Let them ripen fully. The harder the skin, the longer the storage. Patience is part of the system. When it sounds hollow, it's ready. These are your nutritional vitamins for the dark months ahead. While others are eating white rice and flour, you will be eating vitamins. You will be thriving. Versatile, hardy, beautiful. The winter squash is a nutritional powerhouse that regenerates itself. The seeds are your bank. The harvest is your interest. A self-sustaining loop of health and security. Save them all. Trade them. Plant them. They are more valuable than any currency in the coming years. Winter squash. The nutritional bridge to your survival. Grow it vertical. Grow it for life. Number 3. Tomatoes. The survival crop hiding in plain sight. Most treat them as a luxury. A mistake. Grow paste varieties like San Marzano. They're meatier and built for preservation. 40 pounds per plant. Eat them fresh. Dry them in the sun. Cook them into thick sauce. Preserve 4 ways without electricity. Each method concentrates their nutritional value. Seed saving takes 5 minutes. Pick a ripe tomato. Squeeze seeds into a jar with water. Let it ferment 2 to 3 days until mold forms on the surface. This breaks the germination coating. Rinse. Dry. Tomato seeds stay viable 6 years. Cost you nothing. Preserve the harvest. This is your sauce, your soup, your flavor for the entire winter. No grid needed. They are resilient. They are productive. 1 seed becomes 20 pounds of life-giving food. The math works. Support them well. Keep them off the ground. A little care leads to a massive return. Survival discipline. Pure nutrition. Vitamin C. Lycopene. Everything your body needs to stay healthy and fight off illness. These seeds are your freedom. Store them cool and dry. They are the currency of the future. Save them. Grow your own. Control your supply. Never rely on a store for the most basic of needs. Tomatoes are key. Fast food in its truest form. Fresh, clean, and entirely yours. No store, no grid, no permission. Vertical, productive, and regenerates forever. The survival tomato. Grow it. Save it. Thrive. Number 2. Oilseed sunflowers. The fat your survival garden is missing. Most gardeners never think about fat. Every other plant gives carbs or protein. Without dietary fat, your body cannot absorb vitamins or regulate hormones. Sunflowers fix that gap. One seed head yields a pound of seeds, 2,600 calories and 40 grams of protein. Nearly a full day of nutrition from a single plant. When the head turns brown, cut it and hang to dry. Thresh out the seeds by rubbing the head against a bucket edge. Store in shells for up to a year. Security. Seed saving is simple. The seeds you eat are the seeds you plant. In a survival garden, sunflowers are irreplaceable. One plant can provide for a whole family. They are the energy giants of your garden. Grow them tall. They are resilient. They follow the sun. They find energy where others find shadows. A survival icon. Harvest at the right time. When the back of the head is yellow and the seeds are firm. Timing is everything. A tiny package of energy. A concentrated source of life. This is the fat your body will crave. Save it. Share a little with nature, but protect your harvest. These are your winter calories, your body's fuel. A vertical field of energy. This is how you survive. This is how you build a future that lasts. Sunflowers. Extract the oil if you can, or just eat them whole. The fat content is the key to your health. Irreplaceable. Oilseed sunflowers. The nutritional gap filler. Grow them once, and you'll never be without fat again. Number 1. Peas. The plant that feeds you and heals your soil at the same time. Every other plant takes. Peas give back. Peas are nitrogen-fixing legumes. Their roots form a partnership with bacteria that pulls nitrogen from the atmosphere. They deposit it into the ground. In a survival garden where commercial fertilizer is unavailable, this is a strategic necessity. But peas don't just give you soil health. They give you food fast. Cold-tolerant and fast-maturing. Plant as soon as ground is workable. Snap peas produce in 60 days. Shelling peas give protein like beans. 1 trellis, 10 pounds of peas. For seed saving, leave pods to turn brown. Shell them. Replant next spring. Plant where you'll grow heavy feeders next season. The soil they leave behind is richer than what they found. Eat the shoots. Eat the pods. Eat the seeds. Every part of the plant is a gift to your survival. Fast food. They love the cool weather. They are the first to arrive and the last to leave. A constant source of life. Look at the potential. A handful of seeds becomes a wall of food. The multiplier effect of a hidden system. Abundance from the start. Build your soil and your body at the same time. The strategic choice of survivors. Store them dry. They last for years. Plant them again and again. A loop of regeneration and health. Even the flowers are beautiful. But their true beauty lies in the nitrogen they leave in the soil. A gift. Peas. The soil builders. The fast producers. The foundation of a healthy, self-sustaining survival garden. 8 plants. That's the whole system. Zucchini, spaghetti squash, potatoes, beans, peas, winter squash, tomatoes, sunflowers. Together, they cover every nutritional category, and every one regenerates itself from saved seeds indefinitely. You don't need acres. You don't need expensive inputs. You need knowledge, and you need to start before you have to. The best time to plant was last spring. The second best time is today. Subscribe now to build something real. Every week, practical guides and seed saving. The seeds are cheap. The knowledge is here. Subscribe. Let's grow. Step into a new world. A world where you are the producer. A world of abundance. Welcome to the system. Freedom tastes better when you grow it yourself. We'll see you in the next one. Keep growing. The future is in your hands. Literally. One seed at a time. Subscribe and stay resilient. Secure your food. Secure your life. No store, no grid, no permission, just survival. Goodbye. It all starts in the soil. Respect the land, and it will feed you forever. The end of the beginning.